What's up, guys? Me and my friend are up and Slime LNG. So I did a little offline grinding.
I got something from the sky! I'm at 719. Oh my god, I'm so proud of myself.
Yeah, I think he's a little excited. Oh yeah, that's good. Don't let me upgrade for some reason. Oh. That's giggity right. Giggity right, gang.
Oh, I got a meow.
Is it really meowing? Meow.
Alright, I'm going to the next map. Oh, I want to go to upgrades actually. Golden rolls.
Ooh, taco. Oh no, this is shit. Wait, this time? No.
Bonus. Yes. Oh, I got 3 slime slots now. Nice. Right?
It's very nice, but do you like my aura, Little Rare?
Because I'm about to slime you out.
Okay, bro. I'm keeping that clip in there.
Oh. Okay. I got a bonus! I hate when they do that. They give you the bonus screen, and then they give you like...
Another bonus?
No, they didn't give me a bonus. They gave me a goopy. Oh, bonus! It's goopy again. It's goopy.
You have to get 3 bonuses.
For what?
For it to be an actual bonus.
Oh, like gambling?
Yes, it's literally like that.
Yeah, every time I get 1 bonus, it just goes straight to goopy. Alright, my last golden roll. 2x. It's Finn. Upgrade. Oh. 1 bonus.
I got a Condi.
Okay, can I get anything else?
I want to put some power.
Oh, loot. What's loot? Oh, snap. I like loot.
I need to loot on you. So you can have a come on.
Oh my god, breaking slime. Oh my, is that jump underwear?
Nope. What are you doing? I'm trying to look for avatar to wear.
Jump underwear. Bonus. Then, okay. How'd that do it? I got 2x. 4x. Leafy.
It's a big.
I'm going to next area.
Me too.
Oh, really?
I need more goops. I don't have that yet. I need a goop.
Oh, and a spin.
Spin. Back in my days, did not have this. Well, I got Ultra like 2.
Oh, they gave me 2 extra spins. Oh my god, I just got a 1 out of 1.2x.
Bro, all of these
oh
on
my god.
spawns, bro. I'm gonna get angry. I don't want another. Oh, actually, is that 1 in 1 million? Like that might actually not be even that good. Universe fruit. That's not the only thing to have.
Oh my god, this is so peak. That was so peak what I just got.
Yeah, it was only a 1 in 1 million. It wasn't even that good.
You think she love me? I think she trolling. That girl is a real crowd, please. Small world, all her friends know.
Oh my god.
Only?
Yes. At least I got a new shiny. At least I got a shiny.
Oh, I got a glow. I've never gotten glow.
It's a very glowy.
Hello. Oh, bonus. Scorchy. I got luck 2.
It's very lucky. Oh, I just had 2 bonus. I just had 2 bonus, bro.
Dude, I got 2 bonuses and I didn't even realize.
Oh my god. My first time getting a bonus was so good.
It's dropping from the sky. 1 in 1.268 thousand.
Hey, I also saw the impact. It was very impact.
That was crazy.
It's so crazy.
Hey. Oh yeah, this guy's cooked.
Is it cooked?
Hey, who did it?
Oh
More
yeah.
slime slots.
Oh yeah, I'm spraying.
Okay, no, don't take that out of context. Don't. Totally.
I just noticed I have 90. Okay.
Who did it?
I have 992 luck.
Oh, I forgot I had items. Luck boost. Meow.
I gotta grind for a little bit. Hold up. I need some goop so I could be able. Oh yeah, I'm spraying my goop everywhere.
For every time I acknowledge I get a bonus, I just like get trash right after.
Straight trash. Hold up, I gotta call you right back. Hold up. Henry Jim.
Yep.
Yo. Oh yeah, I'm back. Wait. Is another one? I can get another one. Let's go. I don't want to orbit. 2 buns. Only 1 in 120k or something. I don't know. Spin again. Oh, only 2 million? Really? Okay.
Oh, I gotta go. Oh, now this is my golden roll. Never mind, I got a buggy.
I put on every potion I have right now.
Hold on.
Whoa.
Speed 2x.
Whoa. This is how the story goes.
I got another spiky guy.
This guy is really singing Think of It, We Dot Cannot Be Dead.
To the pin, to the pin, to the king, to the king, to the king, to the king. That's my king, that's my king. Love blonde is our king.
Ooh, luck. Ooh, luck. Like, bro, what? What am I doing?
I gotta buy another map right now. Hold up. Okay, I just bought a map. I have no more money. Now I only have $500 million.
Eggs. I got egg.
I like eggs.
Alright, now I'm just gonna save
They're
up.
very eggy.
Backpack. Feed.
Bears.
Feed. That's for Raz. Oh.
I got a
I
one.
don't want to get walk speed, bro. I don't want to get walk speed.
Yo. Guess what I just got?
What did you just get?
I got a 1 in 17 million.
Elvira, no way.
Yeah, literally. Look. Oh, I got a bonus. I just got bonus. I got bonus. Bro, it's only a 1 in 8 million. I'll still take that though. But there's definitely better stuff on the wheel. But that's all I'm saying. Wait, what? Oh, I'm taking interest. Cheese. Feed him some cheese. Feed.
Oh yeah, I forgot to get cheese.
And
I got
hot
2
dogs.
bonuses.
It levels them up. And the egg. And some fries.
I got another roll ready.
That's fries.
Raz.
Oh yeah.
No, I don't want that. I wanted money.
Money.
I just sounded so greedy.
Money. Oh, it's this guy.
Now no homies wanna mess with me like that, fool.
Damn, what if I want to mess with you?
What's
cuz?
up with it, cuz?
What if I want to mess with you?
Fool, you ain't gonna mess with nobody. And that's a bro.
That's on the bros. Okay, my fault.
Oh, they were smart. Okay, I'm gonna stop acting like that. I might actually get sniped. I might actually get annihilated. I'm sorry.
Actually, that's
Oh, yo, cut this out, but okay, actually cut that all out, bro. I might actually, like, get RIP, bro. Trust. And that's the bros!
wait. Why is Jared mad about England losing? Didn't he want them to lose?
Whoa.
England.
Bro, genuinely, who wants Argentina to win, bro?
I do.
Again. Except for you and Micah.
I
And
honestly,
the entirety of the Argentinian squad.
I think Spain's gonna win.
Okay.
I really like Lamine Yamal. He's really Lamine. Okay.
I gotta send you this picture, bro.
Okay, let me see the picture.
Oh, $250,000! I'm going to the next map. Icelands. Why did I say Iceland? I meant islands.
Iceland?
Is that a portal? I'm going to the portal.
Where? Hold up. Are you gonna send me? Oh, did you send me it on Discord?
Oh, no, I didn't.
Send me it.
I'm sending it to you right now.
Yeah, no.
On Discord?
No, you like send it whatever you want.
That's what I'm gonna do.
Yeah, just stay right there. I'm looking at YouTube videos right now.
Oh, look at this as well.
Alright, let me see the meme. Let me check it out. You know, if 6 plus 7 is 7, then what is 6 plus 7? Is it just 7? Or is it just 7?
Bro, look at the picture that I said.
Okay.
Oh my god! Yo, I just looked back at my screen to see a big buggy, a big something on the screen, bro.
A big day. Oh
It
yeah.
just said big, and it was like 1 in 10,000, bro.
Slime hop. What is a slime hop? What is a slime hop? Let me go in. Oh yeah, it's an obby. I want to do the obby. I'm gonna do this first.
Brother, did you see the picture?
Yes. Now I'm gonna do this obby first try.
It's going to be alright.
Yeah, shut up. Yo, I go do that. Yeah. Yo. I only got at least I got a potion. Oh my god, I got a money potion. It's just like
That was weird.
I'm going to be gone for 3 minutes so I can get my money. Since I got a money
What do you
potion.
mean you're gonna be John?
Or like I'm gonna go to market. 1 in 13 million. This is what we like to see.
Bro, we should start on like a whole new game.
We should
Yeah, just
Make-
so like things to actually be better.
make that whole new video. Whole new video.
Are you right now? Didn't?
Okay. If you guys want to see that, then go subscribe to the OnlyFans. Okay.